Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can embed YouTube videos in your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI. I will go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Navigate to the slide and let me go with this slide here, number 12. Let me just remove that example block here and simply click where you'd like to place your video block. I will place it at the bottom of that slide here. So what you want to do, guys, is click into videos and media here to the right, select YouTube videos and drag it to your position. And in the final step, guys, simply enter the video's URL address here. You may also search for the specific video by typing its title here and simply then go with this go button here to the right, and that is going to embed the video here to the left. As you can see, there's that logo, so that that it may be embedded into your presentation. If you don't want to if you want to remove it, click into the given block and select delete. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.